Today we are going to discuss IP 2025 Mathematics 1A model questions based on question numbers. Usually question number 1, the question from functions topic you will get. Let us discuss the questions which are asked in the previous examinations. They are useful for the students, those who are appearing for IP 2025 examination. Let us see question number 1. Question number 1 from the topic functions. Suppose that if capital A is a set having entries 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3 and pi by 2, and F is mapping from A to B, that is a surjection that is defined by f of x equal to cos x. Then find set B. This is the question. See here, given that the function mapping from A to B is a surjection, you know that surjection nothing but the function which is onto function. When the function is onto or surjection, codomain should be equal to range. Here in the question given domain first set. Here our aim is to find second set capital B, nothing but codomain you need to find, whereas the function given as cos x. How to write the solution? Let us observe. First you have to write the given data. Given that capital A is a set whose entry is 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3 and pi by 2. Also given that F is mapping from A to B. It is defined by f of x equal to cos x and is surjection given in the question. When the function is surjection, that implies by the definition I can write codomain equal to range. Codomain is nothing but second set B here. Notation for codomain I am going to write, that is set B. Next, range is nothing but the set of output elements from the given function, and usually range is denoted by f of A. Left hand side set B. Actually our aim is also to find B itself. F of A nothing but it is equal to B, as well as it is a set that containing entries from A. You have to write f of 0, f of pi by 6, f of pi by 4, f of pi by 3 and f of pi by 2. That implies set B become f of 0. With the help of f of x equal to cos x, I am going to write the values. Cos 0 first one, next cos of pi by 6, after that cos of pi by 4, cos of pi by 3 and cos pi by 2. Just substitute the values. Cos 0 value 1, cos 30 degrees, root 3 divided by 2. Next cos pi by 4, that become 1 by root 2. Next cos 60 degrees, pi by 3 is nothing but 1 by 2, and cos 90 degrees, cos 90, 0. So that the set B having entries 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. That is your answer. This is 2 marks question. Mostly in the question number 1 from the topic functions, basically the questions based on surjection as well as functional values model questions you will get in the examination. So in this way you have to express the solution. It is 2 marks question. Okay. Let us go for another question. Next, let us write the second question. Question number 2. If suppose capital A equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and suppose that f A to B it is a surjection and is defined by f of x equal to x square plus x plus 1, then find set B. This is the question. Again the question based on surjection itself. Given f mapping from A to B is surjection and also given first set, that is domain. Our aim is to find codomain with the help of the condition surjection and defined by f of x square plus x plus 1. Okay, let us see the solution. First you have to write given data. Given that capital A is a set whose entries -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and given that f mapping from A to B it is surjection as well as f of x is x square plus x plus 1. So that whenever f is A to B is a surjection, nothing but onto function, I can write codomain equal to range. You know the notation for codomain, that is second set B. Range, notation for range f of A, and here f of A, let us see the set A containing entries -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So that here you have to write f of -2, f of -1, f of 0, f of 1, f of 2. Now the set B, which is equal to f of -2 with the help of given function f of x. You need to find all the entries f of -2, f of -1, f of 0, f of 1, f of 2. First I am going to write x value -2. -2 whole square plus -2 plus 1, first entry. Next -1 whole square plus -1 plus 1. f of 0, 0 square plus 0 plus 1. Next f of 1, 1 square plus 1 plus 1. f of 2, that is 2 square plus 2 plus 1. Let us observe, on simplification we get -2 whole square, that is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 2 gives the value 3. Next plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. -1 whole square value plus 1. Next third entry, 0 plus 0 plus 1 gives the result 1. Here already the second term gives f of -1 already 1. f of 0 also 1. No need to write second time. You have to write the entries in the given set only one time. So that I am going to write the next one. Observe here f of 1 value 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Already you have f of -2. Here you have first one 3. So no need to write the repeated term. Last one 2 square plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1. The value become 7. That is clearly required set B. In the order I am going to write the entries 1, 3, 7. This is your answer. Okay. Let us move to the third one. Surjection nothing but codomain equal to range, that's all. We will discuss third one. See the question. If capital A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And f is mapping from A to R. It is defined by f of x equal to x square minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Find range of f. This is the question. Just given f is defined from set A to set of all real values, and it is defined by f of x equal x square minus x plus 1 by x plus 1, and domain set A having entries 1, 2, 3, 4. The aim is to find range of the function. Yes, given data first I am going to write. Given that capital A 1, 2, 3, 4 entries. Next, and f is mapping from A to R, and also f of x equal to x square minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. A rational function is given. Next, range of the function we are going to find. Range is denoted by f of A notation, and f of A is a set that containing set of all values f of 1, f of 2, f of 3 and f of 4. If you write the values of f of 1, f of 2, f of 3, f of 4 in this, you will get range of the function. Independently I am going to find f of 1 first. F of 1, that is 1 square minus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. That is, you will get 1 by 2. Next I am going to find f of 2 value. Based on the given function f of x, it is 2 square minus 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. That is 5 minus 2, 3 divided by 3 become 1. Next, I am going to find the value of f of 3 as well as f of 4. F of 3 first. 3 square 9 minus 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. That is 7 divided by 4. Next, f of 4. 4 square value 16 minus 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1. That is 13 divided by 5. Now it is very clear that range of the function f, that is 1 by 2, 1, next 7 by 4 and then 13 divided by 5. This is your answer. 2 marks question you will get in the examination, these type of models. So this is the procedure to write the solution. Let us go for another question. Yes, see question number 4. F mapping from R to R, it is defined by f of x equal to 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Find f of tan theta. This is the question. See the solution. Given that f defined from R to R and clearly f of x equal to 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Now you need to find f of tan theta. Here in the left hand side, x replaced by tan theta. So that in the right hand side, if you replace x by tan theta, what we get? 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. That implies f of tan theta equal. You know the formula for cos 2 theta. Since cos 2 theta is nothing but 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, I can write f of tan theta, that is cos of 2 theta. This is your answer. By writing given data, you will get 1 mark, and substituting x value tan theta as well as by writing final answer cos 2 theta, you will get another mark. So this is the approach to write the solution of this question. Move to the next one. Next, fifth question. See question number 5. F is defined by f of x equal to, given it is as piecewise function, x plus 2 when x greater than or equal to 1. Next, 2 minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 1. Third one, x minus 1 minus 3 less than x less than or equal to minus 1. And using this, find f of 3, first question. Second one, f of 0. These two results you need to find. Yes, there is a function f of x which is defined piecewise. For all x greater than or equal to 1, this is x plus 2, and x values between minus 1 to 1 included. In this case, functional value 2, constant function. Next, between minus 3 to minus 1 included. In that case, f of x is given as x minus 1. So first you have to write the given data. Given that the function f of x as it is, I am going to write x plus 2 to x minus 1. Here x greater than or equal to 1, minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 1, minus 3 less than x less than or equal to minus 1. You need to find f of 3 and f of 0. First one, I am going to write f of 3 value. Next, second one, f of 0. Whenever input x value 3, x is 3, nothing but x is greater than or equal to 1, right? So in that case, the functional value is x plus 2. For all x greater than or equal to 1, whenever the input is equal to 1 or more, then you have to use the function f of x as x plus 2. Here the input is more than 1, so that I am going to use this function, that is input plus 2. F of input is input plus 2. F of input is input plus 2. So that what we get? F of 3 become 5. Here the reason x greater than or equal to x equal to 3, which is greater than or equal to 1. So due to that reason, f of x is x plus 2 used here. Next, f of 0. X value between minus 1 to 1. This is second case, right? Since 0 belongs to minus 1 to closed 1, that is second one. Already you have the function which is defined in the question, that is 2 clearly. So that f of 0 is constant and 2, f of 3 is a constant value 5. So this is your answer. Let us move to the next question. Questions based on composite function. Suppose that the question is f from R to R and g from R to R and both defined by f of x equal to 2 times of x square plus 3 and g of x equal to 3x minus 2. Then find first one f circle g of x, second one g circle f of x, third one f circle f of 0. Here this is the question based on composite function. First you have to write the given data. Given that f of x is 2 times of x square plus 3 and g of x is given as 3x minus 2. This is the given data. Let us solve the first one. Composite function f circle g of x you need to find, that is f of g of x, which is equal to f of, for f you have input here g of x, f of input is 2 times of input whole square plus 3, so that here it is 2 times of input whole square plus 3, f of 2 times of, sorry, without f you have to write, f of input is just 2 times of input whole square plus 3. And what is g of x here? G of x is clearly 3x minus 2. So now you have to simplify this. 9x square plus 4 minus 12x plus 3 it is. Finally it gives 18x square minus 24x. Next 2 into 4 8, 8 plus 3 which is 11. This is first one. Let us move to the next one. G circle f of x, second one. G circle f of x is nothing but g of f of x. You know that g of input is 3 times of input minus 2, that is 3 times of input minus 2. And where f of x, already in the question you have, it is 2x square plus 3 minus 2. Simplify this, you will get 6 times of x square plus 9 minus 2. Answer 6x square plus 7. Next third one. Third question, that is f circle f of 0, that is f of 0. First write f of 0 value. F of input is 2 input square plus 3. If you write x value 0, you will get f of 0, that is 2 times of 0 square plus 3 gives 3. Next f of 3, 2 times of input whole square plus 3, that is 18 plus 3 become 21. f of 0 value 21. Maybe in the examination you will get only 2 questions. Why? Because it is 2 marks question. Out of these 3 you will get any 2 of them. Move to the next one. Suppose the question is, if f of x equal to 1 by x, g of x equal to root x, For all x belongs to open 0 to infinite, the question is find G circle f of x. Again, the question based on composite function. You know that G circle f of x written as G of f of x. See the solution. First I am going to write given data f of x is 1 by x, result 1. G of x is root x, result 2. You need to find G circle f of x, that is G of f of x. G of f of x is already given in the question, you have 1 by x. Next, G of x. G of input is root over input, so root over 1 by x. It gives the answer 1 by root x. Root x is G of x, so you may also write 1 by G of x also. Either this or this. This is the solution. You will get 2 marks. Finally, the answer you may write 1 by root x, or you may write in place of root x G of x also, whatever it is. Another question. See this question. Again, composite function. F of x is given as f of x equal to 2x minus 1, and g of x is given as x plus 1 by 2 for all x belongs to R. The question is find G circle f of x. See the solution. First I am going to write the given data. Given that the function f of x is 2 times of x minus 1, and the function g of x is x plus 1 divided by 2, and both defined for all x belongs to R. Next, our aim is to find G circle f of x. Now, G circle f of x is G of f of x. G of f of x is 2x minus 1. G of input is input plus 1 divided by 2. So, I am going to write input plus 1 divided by 2. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. 2x by 2, nothing but x is your answer. So, usually these type of questions you will get in the public examination, particularly based on surjective function and then piecewise function model, and after that the problems which are based on composite function type. These type of questions usually asked in IPA examination by observing the previous examinations. Okay, and in the next session we go for question number 2. Just to follow the channel, all the 24 questions which are framed in the public examination, those type of model questions we will discuss in the next sessions. So that please subscribe my channel and let us crack IP 2025 successfully. Thank you.